C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing it? Counting numbers 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The alphabet song. This is an A. Oh, what's the sound of A? Ah. That's the sound of A. This is a B. Oh, what's the sound of B? B. That's the sound of B. This is a C. Oh, what's the sound of C? K. That's the sound of C. This is a D. Oh, what's the sound of D? D. That's the sound of D. This is an E. Oh, what's the sound of E? A. That's the sound of E. This is a F. What's the sound of F? F. That's the sound of F. This is a G. What's the sound of G? G. That's the sound of G. 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Egg. F. Fingers. G. Gift. H. Horse. I. Igloo. J. Jacket. K. Kangaroo. L. Lamp. M. Monkey. N. Nest. O. Octopus. P. Pencil. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. Sun. T. Turtle. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Whale. X. X-ray. Y. Yarn. Z. Zebra. Hello, children. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris channel. Today we are going to learn the alphabet by playing a game. You need to identify the object and choose the correct letter that starts with that object. Let's start. What is that object? That is an apple. Where does apple starts with? Does it starts with letter A or letter B? What do you think? Where does it starts with? Apple starts with letter A. Yay! Very good. On to the next one. What is that object? That is a ball. Where does ball starts with? Does it starts with letter A Or does it starts with letter B? What do you think? Ball starts with letter. It starts with letter B. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a cat. A cat starts with letter C, or letter D. What do you think? Cat starts with letter C. That's right. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a dog. Dog starts with letter. Does it starts with letter C or letter D? What do you think? Where does it start? It starts with letter D. Very good. On to the next one. What is that thing? Those are eggs. Where does egg starts with? Does it starts with letter E or does it starts with letter F? What do you think? Egg starts with letter E. It starts with letter E. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a fish. Where does fish starts with? Does it starts with letter E or does it starts with letter F? Fish starts with letter F. It starts with letter F. Good job. On to the next one. What is that object? That is a gift. Where does gift starts with? Does it starts with letter G or it starts with letter H? What do you think? Gift starts with letter G. That's right. It starts with letter G. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a horse. Where does horse starts with? Does it starts with letter G or with letter H? What do you think? Where does it start? It starts with letter H. That's right. You're doing great. Is a age, age, age. What's the sound of age? Huh, huh, huh. That's the sound of age. This is an I. What's the sound of I? E, E, E. That's the sound of I. This is a J, J, J. What's the sound of J? J, J, J. That's the sound of J. This is a K, K, K. What's the sound of K? K, K, K. That's the sound of K. This is a L, L, L. What's the sound of L? L, L, L. That's the sound of L. This is a M, M, M. What's the sound of M? M, M, M. That's the sound of M. This is a N, N, N. What's the sound of N? N, N, N. That's the sound of N. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris channel. That is an astronaut. Astronaut starts with letter A. The astronaut is in the moon and is going to finish his mission. What do you think is his mission? His mission is to find the objects that start with letter A. Let's help the astronaut to find the objects that start with letter A. Do you think this one starts with the letter A? Yes, it's an apple. An apple starts with letter A. Good job. How about this one? Does it start with letter A? Yes, it's an axe. An axe starts with letter A. Good job. Next is this one. Do you think it starts with letter A? Yes, it's an arrow. An arrow starts with letter A. Good job. Last is this object. Does it start with letter A? Yes, it's an anchor. And anchor starts with letter A. Good job, kids. Hello, kids. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet letters. Let's name them one by one. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. The five vowels. This is letter A. Letter A. Apple. This is letter E. Letter E. Egg. This is letter I. Letter I. Insect. This is letter O. Letter O. Ostrich. This is letter U. Letter U. Umbrella. Good job, kids! I see bananas. The bananas are color yellow. Can you help me count the bananas? Let's count how many bananas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas. Good job counting. We are at the farm. I see a frog. And beside the frog is a fork. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? It's the letter F. That's right. Good job, kids. Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. Good job. Types of vehicles. This is a train, and you see a train on land. This one is a bus. Where do you see a bus? You see it on land. This one is a car. That's right. You see a car one, land. Good job. Next is a ship. A ship is in the water. I know you know this one. An airplane. You see it in the air. That's right. Good job. Which is more and which is less? The orange pumpkins on the right is more. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 orange pumpkins. Good job. And the pink pumpkins on the left is less. That's right. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 pink pumpkins. Good job. Lesson more. The pink pumpkins on the left is less than the orange pumpkins on the right. Good job, kids. Syllables. This is a candy. How many syllables is in the word candy? Let's count. 1, 2. Good job. This is a pumpkin. How many syllables is in the word pumpkin? 1, 2. Good job. Which is a number and which is a letter? Letters, numbers. This is a letter A. Next is number 1. This one, letter B. And this is number 2. Next is letter C.
This one is number 3. This is a letter D. And this one is number 4. Good job, kids!